Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's video is on Break Up With Your Girlfriend on Bored. It's on the guitar, so let's get started. So looking at the structure, it's a really easy song to play because the verses, chorus, post-chorus are the same chords and strumming. And then the only thing different here is going to be the pre-chorus. So I'm going to start off with teaching you guys pretty much the main parts, the chorus and the verse. So the chords that we're going to use for the main part is going to be a C minor. And then F minor. So C minor and F minor are going to be the main chords that you're using. So here's an example of the strum pattern that you're going to use with those chords. So the strum pattern is going to be down, down, up, up, down. So I'll play it slowly and you guys can follow along. Alright, so for this next example, I'm going to show you guys how the pre-chorus comes in, and then we'll go right into learning all the chords and the strumming. We got 3 chords for the pre-chorus. So the first one is a E flat, then a D minor, and then a G. And so E flat, D minor, and G. So the pre-chorus strum pattern is just going to be down strums for each chord. And each chord has a different amount of counts to it. So the E flat is going to be 4 counts. The D minor is going to be 2 counts. And then the G is going to be 2 counts. So I'll play it and count it out for you so that you guys can hear how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. So this last part right here, I just wanted to put everything together, have the chords and the lyrics on the screen, so you guys can play along and see, see how it fits with the song. So here it goes. Thanks again guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it and would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. And you guys can also leave in the comments what else songs you guys want to learn, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.